night, VWAP cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. VOC set to VAH, climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 at closest, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level true. That's how it's done. Come on. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The values lie. POC, VAH, VAL. We ride the way. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running live, sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low. London do the same. All-time high extended. We don't play the game. Strong down. Outside range. Dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data, not a guess, not a claim. POC, VAH, VAL. That's the only A. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth. That's how it's done. Hey. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The values lie. POC, VAH, VAL. We ride the way. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Come on, come on, hey! Don't lie. VAH. Don't lie. VAL. Don't lie. Tick level, multiply. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The values live. POC, VAH, VAL. We ride the wave. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Can't stop. Better every day. Tick by tick. Can't stop. VTC. Can't stop. Oh yeah, all right. Locked in, calm, focused and tight. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Sitting up the level, watching how it's playing. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age, that's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way through the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. We're trading on. Steady night, VWAP cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. VOC sent to VAH, climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 it closes, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. VWAP rising month, VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level true. That's how it's done. Come on. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The values are VOC, VAH, VAL. We ride the way. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running live, sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low. London do the same. All-time high extended. We don't play the game. Strong down. Outside range. Dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data. Not a guess, not a claim. VOC, VAH, VAL. That's the only A. Week VWAP rising. Month VWAP 2. Start of the year. The high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth. That's how it's done. Hey. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The values are VOC, VAH, VAL. We ride the way. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Come on, come on. Hey. Don't lie. VAH. Don't lie. VAL. Don't lie. Tick level, multiply. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The values live. VOC, VAH, VAL. We ride the wave. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Go. Can't stop. Better every day. Tick by tick. Can't stop. VTC. Can't stop. One line, one mind, diary. Come, let me tell you how I found my way. Used to have my chart looking like a Christmas tree. 10 indicators, still couldn't find the key. Banging my head against the wall every single day. Chasing every signal, watch my discipline decay. Then I found the SFX, found BSC2. Thought I needed more tools, but they told me something true. Strip it all away, let the chart be clean. Only thing you need is that 930 VWAP scene. Clear my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. All I need is the VWAP, yeah. VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. 15 minutes, get the opening range, be still. Patience is the muscle, got to build up the skill. Buying on the right side when the value is clear. Not 100 signals screaming in my ear. Austin told me, Evan told me, Randy told me too. It ain't about the tools, it's about what you do. Past my challenge, took my first payout. That's when I understood what BNC's about. Hey, cleared my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my up since 2 a.m. watching them wicks, probing them highs. He calls it institutional flow. We call it something else. BSC. Let's ride. When the price drops below the veil, he loves a good penetration of the previous high. Whisper smart,
money's entering with a glint in his eye.
He's been probing that zone since 2:45. Said nobody does it deeper than ICT. Oh, he's thrusting through the liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah. This won't last. He's stroking the inefficiency, calling it clean. The most beautiful displacement that he's ever seen. He found a naked POC out and he just couldn't wait. Dove in at the kill zone, said this entry feels great. 3 hours later, he stopped out, laying there in shame. Blaming market makers for his own little game. He's probing the high.
Probe it, daddy.
He's filling them voids.
Feel it all night.
He's riding that inefficiency till the break of dawn. The displacement so deep, had him lose sleep.
Couldn't sleep.
'Cause the fair value gap had him holding on so long. He said the liquidity was just sitting there, exposed, and he had to sweep it. He had to. Liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah, he grabbed that order block and dropped down to his knees.
ICT trader doing whatever he please.
Smart money, smart money, smart money. Woo. He don't quit till he fills that void.
Smart money, smart money, smart money.
BSC already banked it. Bye bye boy. He said the buy-side liquidity was just too exposed. He had to sweep it, but VWAP already took her home. BSC. We don't chase gaps. We just let it come to us. Smart money moves. Oh yeah, all right. Locked in, calm, focused and tight. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Sitting up the level, watching how it's played. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age, that's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my Sidebar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 5 lots tight, that's the line I'm holding. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 3 shots a day, no room for folding. Oh, oh, payouts coming like the tide. Stack it firm and let the structure be my guide. Quiet mind, breathe and let it ride. Discipline, patience, execution, that's my pride. Red candle, green candle, don't mean nothing. Stick to the system, let the data sing. No fear, no greed, just the plan and the play. Same 5 rules I'm living by today. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Jobs don't lie, that's the gospel I'm relaying. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah, ooh yeah, we're trading, trading, trading on. Steady as the sun, this groove goes on and on. Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weak hands make their move. By 9:15, I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, and future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out here, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. We said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze. Learning how to lose, right, so I know how not to lose. Black shirt, club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily, walk away, protect what you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins. Said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free, yeah, so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out hit, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. You know what's funny? The same people who told me to quit are the first ones texting asking how I did it. I don't even answer anymore. I just sent him a screenshot and let the numbers do the talking. Yeah, that's right. It ain't about the money, well, it's a little about the money, but it's more about the morning that I proved it to myself. Sitting at the kitchen table while the family's still sleeping, building something real instead of leaving it on the shelf. Why believe in me when the account was underwater? Kids don't know the details, but they know that daddy tried. And now we're all together at this bonfire in the backyard, and I finally feel the weight lift off my chest with pride. Funded and free.
I told you so. Truck running loud down a county road. Hey, out here, boys, the drinks are on me.
Funded and free. Funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud.
Funded and free.
Told you so. 3 accounts deep, and we're just getting started.
Funded and free.
What is that? Randy. What is that candle? What is that candle? What is that candle? Trump tweet hit the wire at 9:15. Every algo on the planet lost its mind. 150 points in a single candle wick. Randy saw it coming, said it real quick. Austin zoomed the chart to show the whole room. Biggest single candle drop like a sonic boom. Chat went crazy, Discord lost his mind. Never seen the candle of that particular kind. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. They saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Hey, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle, boner candle. Stocks got trigger top and bottom of the range. Prop firm accounts looking seriously strange. Bulls and bears got flattened in a single blow. Randy named the candle and he stole the show. Austin speechless, staring at the 1 minute candle so tall there was nothing left in it. BSC with nuclear all over the feed. Boner candle energy is all that we need. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. Saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Oh, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle. They got earnings season, they got Fed Day too. They got CPI reports and Jackson Hole reviews, but nothing hits the chart like a Trump tweet at 9. Randy's got a name for it, and brother, it ain't kind. It ain't the news that moves it. It's the candle that it leaves behind. Funded account trader, seen it all before. Double break the VWAP, the fractal and more. But nothing stops the stream like a 150 rip. Randy grabs the mic and lets the name slip. Austin tries to explain it on the chart, real cool. Can't explain a boner candle using normal tools. Black shirt club will tell you when you ask them why. Sometimes the market just points straight at the sky. Boner candle. Oh, boner candle. call it Black Shirt Club. Never forget the boner candle of 2025. Hey! Hey! I got calluses from hands that used to shoe a hole. Now they're wrapped around a mouth, still walking the same course. Daddy never taught me options, taught me how to bleed in me. So some wound don't heal unless you go back in again. 6 acres and a farmhouse older than my grandpa's name. The wife's got more faith in me than I've got in this game. I've took the losses like a good shot, watched the good ones run. I learned the hardest lessons come from stops I shouldn't run. So I draw it back like a broadhead aimed at heaven. Every red day is just a lesson, every green day's redemption. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. And the setting sun. I bled for this country, came home and bled some more. I learned the mark is just another silent, honest war. No parade for proper payouts, no medal for the pain. Just a daddy at his kid's game, instead of drowning in the rain. They don't see the nights I sat here, staring at the screen, praying for a green pen like it's the only thing between who I was and who I'm trying hard to be. Ain't about the money, it's about being free. So I draw it back. Every scar's a story.
Every setback's a lesson.
I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. Discipline's my scripture, patience is my gun. Full draw, hold steady, this is how it's done. Let's go to full draw. Sun up on the screen, coffee gon' cold. Black and red candles telling me no. I watch that line like a shoreline move. If price holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blind thrill. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. VWAP, it's the line I trust. VWAP, when it clean and dust. VWAP, I don't need a guide. VWAP, that's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm my eyes, I seen the trap. Breakout talks loud and it snaps back. I cut small loss, take the bad aside. Let the runners run, let the weak ones die. Fat fix in my head, keep the rules on lock. No tilt, no panic, just one more shot. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line and I breathe.
judge my test.
S&P 500 want some more. They said the market was against us. We said, nah, we got the VWAP. It's astronomical. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Track the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off one core. Opening range set up like a block I control. Bears pushed it under, tried to swallow it whole. VWAP reclaim like product moving on a stroll. Double break the top side, now we deep in the road. I move them minis like I'm moving them packs. Opening range high broke, no looking back. New York, VWAP my corner, that's my turf on the map. We hands got shook, they ain't never coming back. Plugged into the supply before the sun came up. Every morning opening range fills my cup. First break fake out, got the ops asking what. Second break confirmed and I'm touching up. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Trap the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off one cord. She said, how you always calm at the bell? I said, baby, I've been studying this opening range spell. New York, VWAP, my religion, I know it well. Double break my sermon, gotta start, read the tell. It's astronomical the way this thing set up. Opening range, low broke, everybody fed up. VWAP, like a corner boy, it never gave up. Reclaim the line and now the top side, getting toe up. Perched up in the platform like I'm posted on the block. 9:30 to 10 o'clock, I own this whole clock. 5 minis deployed, like I'm running the flock. Paid before breakfast and I dead both alive. Opening range is the territory. VWAP is the connect. Double break is the lick. The system is the architect. They trap the block, I trap the chart. Same discipline, different art. Patience on the corner, patience at the open. Either way, you wait or leave broken. I don't move unless the VWAP say move. I don't size up unless I'm deep in the groove. Opening range, high or low, that's the only two. Double break my confirmation, that's the code I use. They out here shooting blind, I'm picking off a snipe. Opening range, bombs up and I wait for it to ripen. New York VWAP, the signal when the time is getting right. 5 minis trigger pull when everything's aligning. Pay before breakfast every morning, it's a ritual. Opening range, double break, nothing is coincidental. System built for this and everything is subliminal. We the squad and everything is criminal. VWAP, open the range. Double break, it's astronomical. We already ate.
The double break is back! Double break, set up, paid again today. The double break is coming back. As effects.
Shout out Austin Silver. Black Shirt Club. Ass and fix. Watch the range. Watch the VWAP. Let's go. Double break. Double break. Price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break. Double break. VWAP in the middle. That's the Golden Gate. Let's go. Double break. Double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we lay wait. Let's go. Double break, double break. SFX, Black Shirt Club, we already ate. Yeah, 15-minute rain set up at the bell. Best pushed it under trying to send it to hell. We can't fold it, stop that, they fell. Austin just smile cause he know the spell. Price reclaim the VWAP like it always do. Now the top of the range is coming in the view. Break that ceiling, confirmation true. 5 minutes loaded, bro, you already knew. Or low got broke, that's the first trap set. Shook the lungs out, got them soaking wet. VWAP reclaim, that's your signal, yeah. Double break incoming, you can take that bet. Double break, double break. Price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break, double break, double break, double break. VWAP in the middle, that's the Golden Gate. Double break, double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let it wait. Double break, double break, double break, double break. SFX, Black Shirt Club, we already ate. He don't trade scared, he don't trade small. 2 to 5 minutes when he gets the call. Most people watching, he's already in the hall. Taking what the market gives, that's all. First break, fake out, shift the Ricky's out. Second break, top side, that's when he spout. No hesitation when the signal's loud. Austin in the chat, in the BSC crowd. They said the range broke, it's bearish now. He said, nah, watch the VWAP, show you how. Reclaim, confirm, he's sizing up right now. Double break, activated, take the bow. First break, takes you out if you weak. Second break, pays out if you see. VWAP is the pivot every week. Trust the system, trust the technique. Bears got trapped on the bottom side. Bulls took over on a VWAP ride. Broke the top and let the runners fly. Austin Silver, don't ask questions why. Double break, price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break, double break, double break, double break. VWAP in the middle, that's the Golden Gate. Double break, double break, double break, double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let it wait. Double break, double break, double break, double break. SFX, Black Shirt Club, we already ate. I've been studying the rain since the RTH open. VWAP my compass when the market's broken. Every double break a brand new token. BSC the cool and Austin Silver spoken. They out here guessing, I'm out here knowing. VWAP above New York, the money flowing. 2 to 5 minutes and the accounts growing. Black Shirt Club, you already know where I'm going. Reclaim the line and we break the tie. Bears exhausted, we ain't gonna stop. Double break set up at the peak and drop. Ass effects, living and we never flop. Ass FX, Black Shirt Club, double break. Trust the VWAP, Austin Silver built it. Discipline, patience, execution. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. They don't know nothing about this. Caught on the charts. The other charts. Woo! I'm up at 6 a.m. I'm up at 6 a.m. Pre-market looking clean. Sharpest dress trader that the pop firm ever seen. VWAP like a river and I'm fishing in the bend. Drew my level perfect, now I'm waiting for the trend. Micro E-mini, I don't play with the big dogs yet. But I'm stacking up the payouts on the funded account set. 3 months in the challenge like a prison doing time. 1 green day away from touching freedom on a dime. Then this phone go off like a grenade in the quiet room. True social notifications spell my account's doomed. Straight up horn moves, general, something about a deal. NQ fell 100 points before my mind could feel. True Social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L bleeding red like something out of horror film. True social, stop loss. And they say the market's real. I am not a trader, I am a trading experience. That's the prop firm risk, that's about my level of persistence. Discipline, patience, execution, that's the trinity. But ain't no candle pattern for presidentialicity. I study price action like a preacher study scripture. Every morning pour the chart and paint a perfect picture. Support and resistance, I can teach it in my sleep. Then one post about terror in my account, 6 feet deep, real talk. I had to set above the century. InQ at value, trend was elementary. Finger on the mouse like I'm about to change my life. Then the commander-in-chief went and brought a knife. True social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L bleeding red like something out of horror film. True social, stop loss. And they say the market's real. I've been staring at these candles since the early morning. I was back, tested every setup, calculated all the powers. Taught me more about patience than a Bloomberg terminal. But patience don't mean nothing when the news is terminal. They say the market prices and all available information. Nobody priced in 3 a.m. True social notifications. I am the best trader that you never heard of yet. Give me back my funded account and watch me not forget. Reset the account like Wayne reset the mixtape game. Light it up tomorrow, yeah, the setup look the same. One eye on the chart and one eye on the feed. Cause in this Trump market, information gonna lead. Yeah, true social, stop loss. They don't put that in the curriculum. Discipline, patience, execution, and pray you don't post. Wheezy. Yeah. We lost one today, BSC. Austin's double break long. She held us down for so long, man. Pour one out. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. It's been a long day without you, my friend. She held the line through every NY trend. Thought you area high, she never let us down. Double break confirmed, we never used to frown. Austin called it clean, structure looks so right. But the market took her home last night. I'll tell you all about it when we see you again. Double break long, we gon' see you again. Beat rap held tight, but she faded in the end. We gon' see you again. We gon' see you again. Yeah. She filled our orders, gave us payout days. Ran through value area in the most beautiful ways. Randy watched the charts, JB had the screen. BSC was crying, you know what I mean. Austin kept his cool, took the loss like a pro. But deep in the chat, everybody know SFX lost a homie today. Double break long, just faded away. She gave us everything, every single run. And now the market closed and the damage is done. Rest easy setup. You would've won. She was consistent, man. She was always there. Double break long, gone, but never forgotten. BSC.
Friday 4 o'clock, the candles all went dark. Closed my last position, now there's nothing on the charts. Everybody's headed down a dirt road, cooler in the bed. I'm sitting on the porch with the dime stuck in my head. They're chasing Friday night neon lights, man, I'm chasing the bell. 2 days of quiet is a special kind of hell. We'll be back on Monday, Weekends move too slow.
obsessing. Yeah, she's probably right, but discipline don't take a day off, it just waits for the light. Black shirt in the closet like a jersey on the wall. 2 more sleeps till the opening call. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday. Weekends move too slow and the tape don't play. No ticks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind. Sunday can't come soon enough this time. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday, back on Monday. Yeah. Sunday 6 o'clock, futures open up the door. Crack a cold one, watch them glow. Bakes, candles glow. Alarm set early, plan rolled out, clean rested. Hungry, dangerous, you know what I mean. Well, back on Monday, back on Monday. London through New York, let the levels play. Fresh week, fresh mind. Same rules, patience pays the ones who keep it cool. Hated the weekend, love the grind. Now the bell is ringing and the setup's mine. We're back on Monday, back on Monday. We're back on Monday. Back on Monday. See you at the open. Oh.
Come on. Session open. Session open. New York VWAP arriving. Tick by tick, the values alive and thriving. Overnight VWAP cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. VOC set to VAH climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 it closest, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. A week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level true.
That's how it's done.
Come on. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the values lie. POC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC.
Every day.
Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running loud, sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low, London do the same. All-time high extended, we don't play the game. Strong down, outside range, dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data, not a guess, not a claim. POC, VAH, VAL, that's the only A. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth.
That's how it's done.
Hey. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the values lie. POC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop.
Come let me tell you how I found my way. Used to have my chart looking like a Christmas tree. 10 indicators, still couldn't find the key. Banging my head against the wall every single day. Chasing every signal, watch my discipline decay. Then I found the SFX, found BSC too. Thought I needed more tools, but they told me something true. Strip it all away, let the chart be clean. Only thing you need is that 930 VWAP scene. Clear my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. All I need is the VWAP, yeah, VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. 15 minutes at the opening range, be still. Patience is the muscle, got to build up the skill. Buying on the right side when the value is clear. Not 100 signals screaming in my ear. Austin told me, Evan told me, Randy told me too. It ain't about the tools, it's about what you do. Past my challenge, took my first payout. That's when I understood what BNC's about. Hey, cleared my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. Hey, all I need is the VWAP, yeah, VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. Hey. It ain't the indicators, no. It's the patience in your soul. Wait for the setup, let it show. Right side of the well. Watch it flow. All I need is a VWAP, yeah. VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. One line, VWAP, 930 patience pay out. BSC.
He's been up since 2 a.m. watching them wicks, probing them highs. He calls it institutional flow. We call it something else. BSC. Let's ride. He woke up in the dark just to stroke his charts. Got his order blocks lined up, studying all the parts. He's tracing everybody, every wick, every tail, licking his lips when the price drops below the veil. He loves a good penetration of the previous high. Whisper smart,
Money's entering with a glint in his eye.
he's been probing that zone since 2:45. Said nobody does it deeper than ICT. Oh, he's thrusting through the liquidity. Penetrating every
said the dude swing came hard and fast, grabbed all the buy side, said, baby, this won't last. He's stroking the inefficiency, calling it clean, the most beautiful displacement that he's ever seen. He found a naked POC and he just couldn't wait. Dove in at the kill zone, said this entry feels great. 3 hours later, he stopped out, laying there in shame, blaming market makers for his own little game. He's probing the high,
Probe it, daddy.
he's filling them voids,
Feel it all night.
he's riding that inefficiency till the break of dawn. The displacement so deep,
So deep.
had him lose sleep,
Couldn't sleep.
cause the fair value gap had him holding on so long. He said the liquidity was just sitting there, exposed, and he had to sweep it. He had to. Oh, he's busting through the liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah, he grabbed that order block and dropped down to his knees.
ICT trader doing whatever he please. Smart money. Smart money. Smart money.
He don't quit till he fills that void.
Smart money. Smart money. Smart money.
BSC already banked it. Bye bye boy. He said the buy side liquidity was just too exposed. He had to sweep it, but VWAP already took her home. BSC. We don't chase gaps. We just let it come to us.
Smart money. Smart money. Moves.
Smart money moves.
Oh, yeah, all right. Locked in calm, focused and tight. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Sitting up the level, watching how it's played. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age, that's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 5 lots tight, that's the line I'm holding. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 3 shots a day, no room for folding. Oh, payouts coming like the tide. Stack it firm and let the structure be my guide. Quiet mind, breathe and let it ride. Discipline, patience, execution, that's my pride. Red candle, green candle, don't mean nothing. Stick to the system, let the data sing. No fear, no greed, just the plan and the play. Same 5 rules I'm living by today. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Charts don't lie, that's the gospel I'm relaying. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. We're trading, trading, trading on.
out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weak hands make their move. By 9:15, I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, and future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out hit, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose right, so I know how not to lose. Black shirt, club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily, walk away, protect what you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Payout hit, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. You know what's funny? The same people who told me to quit are the first ones texting asking how I did it. I don't even answer anymore. I just send them a screenshot and let the numbers do the talking. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it ain't about the money, well, it's a little about the money, but it's more about the morning that I proved it to myself. Sitting at the kitchen table while the family's still sleeping, building something real instead of leaving it on the shelf. Why believe in me when the account was underwater? Kids don't know the details, but they know that daddy tried. And now we're all together at this bonfire in the backyard, and I finally feel the weight lift off my chest with pride. Funded and free,
Yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Payout hit, boys, the drinks are on me.
funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud.
Funded and free.
Told you so. 3 accounts deep, and we're just getting started.
Funded and free.
What is that? Randy. What is that candle? What is that candle? said it real quick. Austin zoomed the chart to show the whole room. Biggest single candle drop like a sonic boom. Chat went crazy, Discord lost his mind. Never seen the candle of that particular kind. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. They saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Hey, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle, boner candle. Stocks got trigger top and bottom of the range. Prop firm accounts looking seriously strange. Bulls and bears got flattened in a single blow. Randy named the candle and he stole the show. Austin speechless, staring at the 1 minute candle so tall there was nothing left in it. BSC when nuclear all over the feed. Boner candle energy is all that we need. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. Saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Oh, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Fuck it, boner candle. They got earnings season, they got Fed Day too. They got CPI reports and Jackson Hole reviews, but nothing hits the chart like a Trump tweet at 9. Randy's got a name for it, and brother, it ain't kind. It ain't the news that moves it. It's the candle that it leaves behind. Funded account traders seen it all before. Double break the VWAP, the fractal and more. But nothing stops the stream like a 150 rip. Randy grabs the mic and lets the name slip. Austin tries to explain it on the chart real cool. Can't explain a boner candle using normal tools. Black shirt club will tell you when you ask them why. Sometimes the market just points straight at the sky. Boner candle. Oh, boner candle. What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle. Randy called it. Can't uncall it. Black shirt club. Never forget the boner candle of 2025. Hey! Hey!
I got calluses from hands that used to shoe a hole. Now they're wrapped around a mouth, still walking the same course. Daddy never taught me options, taught me how to bleed in man. So some wound don't heal unless you go back in again. 6 acres and a farmhouse older than my grandpa's name. Wife's got more faith in me than I've got in this game. I took the losses like a gut shot, watched the good ones run. Learned the hardest lessons come from stops I shouldn't run. So I draw it back like a broad hand in heaven. Every red day is just a lesson, every green day's redemption. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. And the setting sun. I bled for this country, came home and bled some more. I learned the mark is just another silent, honest war. No parade for proper payouts, no medal for the pain. Just a daddy at his kid's game, instead of drowning in the rain. Yeah.
chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. Discipline's my scripture, patience is my gun. Full draw, hold steady, this is how it's done. Let's go to full draw. Sun up on the screen, coffee gon' cold. Black and red candles telling me no. I watch that line like a shoreline move. If price holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blind thrill. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. V-Web, it's the line I trust. V-Web, when it clean and dust. V-Web, I don't need a guess. V-Web, that's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm my eyes, I seen the trap. Breakout talks loud and it snaps back. I cut small loss, take the bad aside. Let the runners run, let the weak ones die. FX in my head, keep the rules on lock. No tilt, no panic, just one more shot. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line and I breathe. V-Web, that's the line I trust. V-Web, when it clean and dust. V-Web, I don't need a guess. V-Web, that's my edge, my test. Wrong silence, pay that fee. Now I trade what I see. No loud mouth, no hero play. Just take the setup, and walk away. That's the line I trust. V-Web, when it clean and dust. V-Web, I don't need a guess. V-Web, that's my edge, my test. S&P 500 want some more. They said the market was against us. We said, nah, we got the V-Web. It's astronomical. V-Web, God, V-Web, God. Track the opening range like a whole drug lord. V-Web, God, V-Web, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. V-Web, God, V-Web, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. V-Web, God, V-Web, God. We eating off one core. Opening range set up like a block. I control. Bears pushed it under, tried to swallow it whole. V-Web reclaim like Prada moving on a stroll. Double break the top side, now we deep in the road. I move them minis like I'm moving them packs. Opening range high broke, no looking back. New York V-Web my corner, that's my turf on the map. Weak hands got shook, they ain't never coming back. Plugged into the supply before the sun came up. Every morning opening range fills my cup. First break fake out, got the ops asking what. Second break confirmed and I'm touching up. V-Web, God, V-Web, God. Trap the opening range like a whole drug lord. V-Web, God, Double break confirm and I add to the horde. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. We eating off one cord. She said, how you always calm at the bell? I said, baby, I've been studying this opening range spell. New York, VWAP, my religion, I know it well. Double break my sermon, got a story to tell. It's astronomical the way this thing set up. Opening range, low broke, everybody fed up. VWAP like a corner boy, it never gave up. Reclaim the line and now the top side getting towed up. Perched up in the platform like I'm posted on the block. 9:30 to 10 o'clock, I own this whole clock. 5 minis deployed like I'm running the flock. Paid before breakfast and I dare both alive. Opening range is the territory. VWAP is the connect. Double break is the lick. The system is the architect. They trap the block, I trap the chart. Same discipline, different art. Patience on the corner, patience at the open. Either way, you wait or leave broken. I don't move unless the VWAP say move. I don't size up unless I'm deep in the groove. Opening range, high or low, that's the only two. Double break my confirmation, that's the code I use. They out here shooting blind, I'm picking off a snipe. Opening range, bombs up and I wait for it to ripen. New York VWAP, the signal when the time is getting right. In 5 minis, trigger pull when everything's aligning. Pay before breakfast every morning, it's a ritual. Opening range, double break, nothing is coincidental. System built for this and everything is subliminal. We the squad and everything is criminal. VWAP, opening range. Double break, it's astronomical. We already ate. Yeah! I said, the double break is back! breaks once, you wait. When it comes back to test, you wait. When it breaks, right now, that's the double break and it's back. Austin showed us how, yeah. BS been knowing, yeah. Don't you ever doubt now. The setup never stops working. Take it to the bridge. Double break. One more time now. Double break. It's back.
How we feeling, boys? Good morning. The Sixers are playing the Knicks to start this thing off, and there's one ticket, Evan said, left, and it's $5K. It's crazy. And I think they sold out the Christmas game already too. And then they're announcing the full schedule, it looks like, on Thursday. Sixers at Knicks home opener, 7 p.m. on a Tuesday, October 20th. That's going to be good. But good morning, everybody. Going to just get ourselves set up here for the day. Do our thing. I got some stuff I got to just square away over here real quick. Anybody take trades last night? For those of you that are members of ASFX TV, did you see the community thing? Nick and Fanish? Yeah, for real. The Braun effect, for real. But yeah, the big plan today, we got a bunch of top one futures giveaways to get into later in the stream. But yes, I know I had a DM somewhere this morning. Somebody was like, is the giveaway still going on? I was like, yeah, absolutely. It's going on till the end of the month. Anytime you buy this month with the code ASFX, it enters you in a chance to win $1,000. So I'm calling it the giveaway. Instead of it being the cash giveaway, it should just basically be like, you get a payout for trying giveaway. That's really what it is. I got trade sinkers set up here. I should sync this up. Whoops, forgot to send this. Okay. I think Trade Syncer should change the way that it says auto sync, because it's not really auto sync. It's not auto sync in anything. You know what I'm saying? See, like, you got to come in here. Hit the long yesterday and got stopped out by the news. We'll take a look at those in a sec. Let me sync this up, then I'll show you my trades from yesterday. I want to listen to what song do I want? Yeah, we'll just run this back here. See, like, it just should be sync data, not auto sync. New to this channel, what is the VTC system? The VTC system is the VWAP trading concepts that we trade. It's kind of like Inception comes from the indicator that we built here. We actually just issued a new update to it. So the indicator is the VTC indicator. And what we do is we trade with that indicator. Specifically lately, we've been trading the double break strategy within that. So we'll delete this. But if you're new to the stream, welcome. Where are you coming in from? I'll remind everybody, if you need any accounts for today, Top One Futures is sponsoring the stream this morning. We're going to do some Top One Futures giveaways once we get into the main stream at 9:30 in about an hour. So remember, if you do use the code ASFX, that's a entry to win $1,000 cash. And there's 3 people that I'm going to pick as winners. So I'm going to give away $3,000 out of my pocket. And man, that's why Trade Copy is better in my opinion. Yeah, I think they're very similar. You know what I mean? And the thing with Trade Copy is they didn't offer me a good deal. And TradeSyncer did. TradeSyncer said, I'll give you a free trial, 30% discount for your community. You know what I mean? So like the deal was better. They built a landing page for us. And I like TradeSyncer's team. You know, I don't know the people at TradeCopia, but I like the guys. I met them at 2 events. And hopefully they'll be sponsoring our boot camp. Are you going to come, Ant? What's the game plan on that? What about you, Dick? Luigi, what's up? How about you, Luigi? All 3 of you don't have tickets yet. You're here every morning. What's the holdup? What do we need to do? Because you know you can finance the ticket, right? Interest-free if you have good credit. Finance that fucker. That way you don't have to pay it all in full. Try to make it as affordable as possible. Need a payout. Well, let's get it, bro. Johan will be there. What's up, Johan? Good morning, buddy. Yeah, where are you at on it, Nick? How far are you? Okay, so then yesterday, you held the long into the news. Yeah, I mean, my exit yesterday ended up being great on that long. I could say like maybe a tip on it of like, how do you know to get out there? When I'm trading a break and retest like this, boys, into that high, I'm never assuming it's just going to go straight there. So as it popped, and we got to 12 o'clock, you see it's 12 Eastern time, I know I really want to be done trading by then. So it was the coincidence of that. But had this trade gone higher, you'd be like, oh, Austin, you just should have stayed in it. At the end of the day, I stuck to my rules and my guidelines and my principles, which says to try to be done trading by 12 o'clock. So if I'm feeling mentally tapped out, I already had 2 wins on the day. This was the 3rd win. I was like, let's just call it. You know, if you remember yesterday, I traded YM on the double break here. We had the signal present here. This is the VTC indicator for those of you that are asking. High or low here. I didn't even get in here. I got in late, kind of, and I still made money on it. Easy money. So it was YM first. Then I took this one on NQ. Really good entry on the New York VWAP retest after the double break. And then I was out at these lows to the left. Again, like it could go lower. It did go lower. I could have made more money, but I just never say that other than when I'm talking to you guys. Like in my head, I don't say, oh, I could make more money. I just know I can get another trade. That's how I'll make more money. So I take that because I know there's a reason to get out as a scalper on NQ trading into this structure to the left. It's probably going to bounce, right? So I ended up making money on that one. And then ES was the other good one. Took the double break. Some of the guys did on stream back here. And then I took the bounce. I took it here first. And then I added to it here. And then I closed it right at 12 o'clock. Nick, you're close, bro. I have not been live. I joined yesterday. I've been watching your videos on the channel. I can't figure out how exactly you set your 2 lines on the trade opposite of this week. You should just get the indicator. That's it. Click the link in my bio. I can put the link on the screen too. The VTC indicator is what will automate it for you. But all it is the high and low set in the first 15 minutes. You see here, our indicator now gives you the double break signal. Instead of spending $100 on another prop account, get the indicator for a month and see if it helps. Or don't. Just draw the lines yourself. You can do whatever.
What's up,
Good
fancy
morning, boy?
Yeah, I had to. Had to go with the
Good.
collar.
Yeah, I'm asking Ant and Luigi. I'm like, why aren't you guys coming to the boot camp? Like, what's up? Luigi dropped his Black Shirt Club payment anyway, so it's like he's got extra bread now. Come on,
What'd they say?
lock it in.
Any
answers.
answer?
Well, Nick says he's got to get a payout, which is a fair answer, and hopefully we'll get there. He's going to be close, so he's got a 50K Lucid account at 50,866. How much are you risking, Nick?
But that was always the thing, even with like the BSC stream. It's like once I get a payout, then I will. It's like maybe you do, and then you get the payout quicker. Leroy got stopped out at 12:30. Is that when the news came in and Randy got stopped out too on that long yesterday?
Yeah.
Why did you get out at the top of the hour? That's what he does a lot of the time. Play 15
what I do.
handle
15
closers
minutes.
and not look for a big move. Just get real scrappy with it. We were talking about that on our BSC call yesterday. Of just taking money and running
Lee,
to the hills.
Lee, actually, I can tell you, here's why. Ready? If you go look at my new Instagram bio, Evan, you didn't even know I changed it this morning. Oh, come on. Don't make me sign in. Jesus Christ. I'm never signed in on my fucking computer. My new Instagram bio says, want to see what 10 years of trading of day trading every day does or gets you? Follow along and see. So that's the answer, Lee. Sometimes I've been trading for so long, I just have little things that I kind of follow. You know what I'm saying? Like guidelines that I follow. So why is it showing this shit? Look at that, bro. What is those highlights? Lifestyle S3 course exclusive. Is this my page, right?
Did it ever say S3? Was that yours or is that
What
like
is this?
is that just like what? It's like a template for a new account.
I know. I'm not logged in, but that is the bio. That's all I wanted to show you. Is I just changed it this morning, so it's funny. That's the answer to the question. There, it's just some experience, Lee. Brother,
Yeah.
even my wife was asking, why am I not buying the ticket? Let me fix my sales, sir. Tampa's on my mind. Very good. As long as it's on your mind, bro. 200 or 250 per trade, Nick said on a 50K account. That's good. Sometimes less if I'm less confident. Maybe you up it to 3 and 350, bro. If you're not hitting smashing those TPs, maybe you go up $100 next week. Think about that this week.
I'd go for 500. So I think 250 is definitely, you could bump up a little bit. And if you're not confident, don't take the trade. Wait to save that risk for a good trade and put it on that. I'm not going to mess around and be like, oh, I'll put $100 on this. It's not even worth it. I'll just wait for that one that's worth $400 and then smack it. The middle, the hardest trade for me is the break and retest to figure out. Been loving the double break, but haven't been really able to repeatedly execute the break and retest with consistency. Well, right now it's the double break is favored a little bit more. So what would be a break and retest trend continuation is turning into we're not retesting. We're going to break through VWAP and break the other side of the range as well. So I don't think you're seeing it wrong. I think you're seeing the double break play out more. That's just the market right now. But there will be a time when the break and retest are better, just like they were a couple months ago when trend was super strong. We're making new all-time highs every week. That trend would set and continue very clearly.
Yep.
So you just want to look for retests, retest. Let's go continue. Now, a little bit more uncertain, chopping around all these. I mean, we made a new all-time high last week, but the double break is just playing out more. But within there, you could see a break and retest potentially present. It's just not going to win like it was a month or so ago. But it'll come back around, so you want to be able to have both of them in your arsenal.
Martin's in here already testing out this morning. Look.
What is that on top?
So this is the
Yes. Community.
yeah, everybody. So this is where I want everyone focused.
Let me pull
If
it
you
up.
go to ASFX TV, it's a tab at the top of the page. No. I put my pre-market briefing in here. I saw Luigi. You already saw it, so that's good. We'll hype this up more, everybody, but we are going to get an app too. So there will be an ASFX TV app on your phone as well. So it'll be an iOS and Android thing. I'm working on that. And that way there's more engagement in our community. Like having this whole conversation with Jay this morning, bro, about the videos and stuff. Because I'm like, what? I'm getting frustrated with all the stream clips and stuff and how much money it costs me now. Like if I told you how much money we've paid him in the last 2 months, you would actually punch me. So
Yeah.
I said to him, and for the numbers to right, and the numbers don't look good. So then I was saying to him, I was like, if you look at what's working, it's the green screen stuff. So why am I paying you for this? It's a fair question, right? He's like, yeah, I get it.
Asking for covers. No more covers. Don't need it. It's not going to do anything. Let's say $5 here, $5 there, $2 here.
Well, though he doesn't charge us for those, so thanks, but he doesn't
Don't need
charge
it.
us for those. So,
Because honestly,
so
I think
I
it looks better
was
when you
talking
like
to him
pick
this
a random one.
but I still like having them all for YouTube Shorts. That's helped my channel grow. So it's like there's a balance to it. You know what I mean? In terms of these clips and stuff, and then doing more of the actual filming with the phone shit.
Like purely brain rot, retarded conversations. What did that like? Why are we getting that clip?
Well, I thought it built.
No, it shows inside of stream. You know,
I thought it just made people like us more, like get to know
yeah,
our
it's the personality. It's like the real conversations. Yeah, I don't know. It's tough. You don't
So
want
I'm
to
gonna drop the app,
all
everybody.
trading, blah blah blah. VWAP every day. You want to talk about random shit, sports.
Yeah, and you'll see like you get notifications in here. Martin published. Jen did something here. Jen liked the post. Yeah, so we're gonna focus on this, and we're gonna drop.
After we got off stream, I got off stream. What did I do the rest of the day? You don't know. You're gonna find out today on stream.
Know.
Yeah, you're gonna find out today on stream because we're gonna go over it. But if I just put my markups in this community tab after stream once the trade is closed, or I take another one, or I'm looking at a different idea, just keep everyone up to date in the community tab. Even though there's no stream running, you're still up to date with what stream continued into. So that's what I'm going to use it for.
Well, we'll see if you even use it. You haven't posted anything. Randy's ahead of you. I'm ahead of you.
Hours. Exactly. We were always saying, how did your NQ trade go? Exactly.
Fire
this puppy up. Do I go in mine? Should I go in the members chat? Can I send it to multiple? What does Martin
I'll have Riley.
Member chat be first post here? Post generated? What is that?
It's so if you click AI assistant, it will generate a post for you. Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't sound normal. But yeah, I think it'll be good. And like it's just like an extra add-on. You know, streams are the same. If you don't use it, you don't use it. But if you want more, it's there.
Yes, we could put. I would like you to put some YouTube videos in here. Beef this up for me today.
Yeah.
So where we're at up here, Evan? Top of range, kind of from yesterday too.
Yeah. Yes, it's horrible. All of yesterday's range is being held, the high and the low.
Can you believe all the tickets are sold out for those two games, bro? It's disgusting. This is
Is it really? Like,
ridiculous.
is it just like, are they even available yet? I know the schedule was, but like, how is
No,
that?
they're available. It happened last night. And now the rest of them are going live Thursday. Riley's like, yeah, you should buy some and resell them. I'm like, yeah, I'm just sitting around all day to buy some Sixers tickets and resell them.
Because, yeah, there was one ticket. There was like a literal one ticket. Like, you're going by yourself on SeatGeek, and then Game Time had like a row of 3.
It's too hyped right now, I feel like. You got to wait a second. You know what I mean? I just feel like it's
$4,000
too
for a
hyped.
season opener. $2,500 in the 200 section to see the Knicks Philly.
Dustin, what's up, buddy? Daily, what's up? Good morning. I'll remind you a lot today, everybody. I want everybody active in this community. Oh, look, Dennis posted his. Dennis B. Good London session. See, and we could even pull these up on stream then too, Evan, talk about this. It's cool.
True. It's a big red arrow. What are we looking at?
Bro, well, look at this language here. What are we talking? What are we talking here?
Oh, geez. Kick him out.
Good for him, dude. No, not kick him out, dude. He took our English, your dumbass American ass, and fucking he knows how to but there's no, whatever language this is, it looks like Dutch or something.
Yeah.
Wicked, he doesn't have a language for that. He doesn't have a word for opening range and liquidity. You know, it's kind of funny.
NQ.
When you're speaking Spanish to someone, ba, 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 and then you just say like one American word, like or English word. My mom and my grandma would talk in Italian like that. It would be Italian, 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 English, Italian, Italian, Italian. Fucking Nick Stewart, bro. I texted him this morning. I'm like, yo, we got to talk to you. I'm sorry I didn't call you back yesterday. He's like, well, I'm playing golf this morning, so call me after 3. I was like, oh, dude, you know it's Tuesday. Like the rest of us are fucking working. Like, did you fucking forget? Well, he's like, dude, I was up last night streaming Asia session. I'm trading Asia session. I was like, all right.
Oh, Dennis is Han Solo in this chat in the pre-market. Always hanging out here.
Sorry, it's German. I forgot. Nice. All right, German, Dutch. I was close.
Wait, forgot I don't speak it?
Sprechen Sie Dick.
Yeah.
That's all I know.
I forgot Evan doesn't speak German. That's my bad. Get that confused. The Daily Trader, good morning.
But yeah, Luigi, if your wife is asking why you're not going, you should be going.
Are you over there in Tampa already? Close to or no?
I'm not even saying you do the add-on. Don't do any of that shit, dude. But just go in here and come to Klarna and see if you qualify for the interest-free financing. Because you can pay $100 a month maybe between now and then and pay the whole, you know what I'm saying? So, and don't forget, I am raising the price, Luigi. Not to put you and everybody else under the gun a little bit, but I'm raising the price at the turn of the year. So you got time. Like, you have through the fall. I'm not going to raise it until 2027. But once we get into 2027, the price goes up to the regular price. This is the early bird discount. Or for the early committed birds. Anyone want to guess how many tickets we've sold so far? Out of 100. I can only fit 100 people. You see our guest speakers here, and you can come on the page and watch some of the videos. Like, Brian's video is crushing it, bro. I think it's at 81.5K in 2 months. Crushing it. You want to guess, Evan, how many tickets have we sold?
26.
No. Under.
18.
37, Shaw? Dude, almost halfway done? No, it's too far away to sell half. I would be blown away if we sold 37. You think it's sold out? Hoba says it's sold out. No, not yet. It will be. It's sold out the last 2 years, so it will sell out. Also, when you guys coming down to South Africa? Not for a while, sir. Not for a while. So you come to me.
Yeah. Is Rohan coming this year? Or did I make that up?
I hope so.
No,
so.
I made that up.
Justin said 2.
Someone
Rohan said
said
15.
that.
Rohan, you're closest. The answer is 16. So Rohan, you were closest. We've had 16 people already lock in seats.
Damn, Dustin, 2. Have some faith.
Yeah, this one with you, Evan, has 12K. Drysdale has 18K. Surprisingly, the panel here with the boys, 6K. Surprisingly. And then mine, my keynote.
Thumbnail, you know? My face is missing.
Well, you're on this one.
Maybe you can't tell.
It's crazy that these two flopped. Like, 2 guys that have made so much money trading and people don't want to watch it. It's crazy. Blows my mind.
Yeah.
At least this one did really well. I'm happy that this one.
Maybe it's too late, but change the thumbnail. But I like the title of it, but Fireside Chat first is like the actual name in the thumbnail, but Steve, no one gave a shit about either. So who knows? I never do that, the A/B testing.
Yeah, I do that all the time.
Funded and free. The dates, Angel?
Yeah, Drysdale's. I mean,
May 15th? What is it? The same? What are the dates?
This
for
thumbnail's 13-14. May 13-14.
13-14.
Angel. It's all on the website, brother. Everything's on here. Guest speakers, dates, times, picture. Look at this. Look at that room, dude. Full. That's not even the whole room. Who can we name? Troy, Gino, Urcon. I don't know. Who else can I name by their fucking dome piece? I don't know. I really got to think. Ben Price right here. Fuck, I talked to this guy. Fuck. Flopping right now, dude. I'm flopping. Evan, help me. You don't remember names. I don't even know why I'm asking you. I still think James Aries was sitting in the front row, and that was 2 years ago. I can't keep it straight, dude.
Wait, Randy
Remember, I know.
Right. 2 years ago.
Reference the prior ones on YouTube all the time. Yeah, thanks, Daily. And what's cool, bro, is all these people, this entire list will be at the dinner next month. Every single person, including Mr. Nick Stewart. So we will all have a little. Yep. It wasn't intentionally like that, but it worked out perfectly like that. Everyone can make it, and everyone's going to be at both things. So we're all going to get together next month.
Like with my friends.
Yeah, exactly. So it's a good pre pump up.
Yeah, you missed the last dinner we had. You were too busy setting up plans and stuff, managing.
I was hanging out with that chick. She was asking about you. I was just keeping her busy for you.
Yeah. So it'll be good.
Should I text her and tell her? Remember, she was like, "Yeah, let me know if you're having another one of these." Should I hit her up and be like, "Yeah, we're having another one"?
We are same place.
I know. I do actually have to hit her up for the plants. Do we want the microphone wraps, or is that just like, nah, I don't need that shit?
What
You know,
is
the
that?
box around the microphone? Like from when I was at the Prop Firm Expo, it has like the company logos around the mic. You look like a news reporter, I think.
I don't give a shit. I don't know. I want the one. I want to be like Justin Timberlake and put it on my cheek, so I could just use hand gestures. You know, speak like Tony Robbins. It'll be good. Good weather in September. Perfect weather in the city. So that's the pro of it. Not too hot. Coming into fall. Football season starting.
Yeah, we'll see how this video does with that thumbnail. Don't be me. Can't really read it.
Yeah.
July recap's doing good. 2K views in 4 days almost.
17 minutes. Look at you working overtime. I mean, I find I just naturally speak for 10. I just ramble. That like I don't need to really. I mean, there was one where I was looking up. I was like, oh fuck, it's only been 7 minutes. I thought I was way further than that. Most of the time, I'm like, oh fuck, it's been 11 minutes. I gotta stop. But again, it depends on the topic, and if it's just like, oh, today's one trade, but try to find lessons in it.
So you can link now too. When I made this post, you can link a video to it. You can click here, and it will link to any of the previous streams, which is cool.
Stream, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I wonder when I link the YouTube video today, there's one coming out at 11 o'clock. So like 2 hours. I wonder how it's going to look. Is it just going to be the link? Have to send the link in the photo. We'll see. Got any news today? Even this week, for that matter? I feel like I didn't even look. I knew NFP was last week. Let's see.
Yeah, so I get this question all the time, so it's worth answering it again. I say it all the time. People ask if we will live stream the event to Germany for Han Solo or here for Cliff to Europe. I'm never going to do that because it's not the same thing. I'll do a live stream like this every day and trade in front of you every day. But to live stream that event when I'm going to post it on YouTube after the fact doesn't make any sense. It devalues the being there. It's going to be posted for free, you know? I can tell them that too. And don't forget, it gets recorded and posted for free on YouTube. So that is the substitute for the stream. Yeah, so it's cool. So he could just post that in here and now we can chat on it. I'll put this link in the chat because even if you're not a member, you should be able to get in here.
Yeah, you should see
Random
everything
question.
but, private chat.
Finish. I'm not familiar with Candle Footprint. So. Should we have a section in here for boot camp?
What about?
Put the boot. What about to sell
like,
the
what are
tickets?
they gonna? Oh, to sell tickets in there. I mean, you could put it in the links and discounts. Is it already?
It's there.
So yeah, you could direct them there. If they ever ask, oh, it's in the links and discounts.
Yeah, no, I haven't thought about that, Han Solo. It's been in my mind, you know, you want to reach people with different languages, but considering I won't know if they're actually translating it correctly or not, I'm skeptical. We got Vanquish still 50% off too. Did you see that this morning?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, everything's still 50 off with the code. So what's that bring this down to? $50? You can get an options account for $50. Come on, that's Now we're cooking, bro. This is what it should be. Get yourself in here, boys. $50, cheap. $100, cheap. 50K accounts, 250.
Yeah, I got the advanced options one. I'm up 1,500 on it, just one trade. So I gotta plug away at that some more.
You tried to say you passed one already. I was like, I'd remember if you passed one. Come on.
No, yeah,
Don't.
because I was in like
You can't
one or
keep track
two
of all your
trades.
funded accounts.
I was like 1 or 2 trades from it, and then Decay ate my dick.
Yep.
She was
It
gone.
does that. That should be a new song. Ben, if you're here listening, can we have a version of Decay Ate My Dick?
Thank you, Ryan. Yeah,
Ryan.
I haven't worn this shirt ever. Got holes in it, so it's a little chilly. It's a good Florida shirt. I feel like it's a good
Open the
bowling
window.
shirt. It's like a bowling shirt. I feel like Uncle Buck.
You're looking like Charlie Sheen.
We'll take it.
I'll tell
I
you
gotta
again.
get a haircut. I thought about growing out my hair. It's been like 3 or 4 weeks since I got a haircut. I can't grow it out. I mean, it's just too much.
Yeah, you can, bro. No, it's not.
No, it takes so much time to get there and so much maintenance to keep it tamed. For what? They've been wearing hats all the time. Grew it out when I was young.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to change the name in our rebranding conversation. I like ASFX TV.
I wonder why.
I'm not
your baby.
against
It's your baby.
I'm not against keeping the logo or changing the logo, but I am a little hesitant to change the name because we've marketed it so hard. You know what I mean?
Well, what are you going to possibly change the logo to? That's going to make such a difference. Does anyone even know the
It's
logo?
not about
on it?
making it-
Do any of you know it?
Yeah, it's the
Besides
triangle with the TV
ASFX
with the
logo,
antennas.
Yeah. I mean, you could just make
Yeah,
it
but when
the
you're
ASFX
watching the stream,
logo.
you see it at the top of the screen.
Yeah, you could just put ASFX. You don't need the TV icon. I don't know.
I want to. If you ask me what I want, I've been trying to talk to chat. I want the TV to look different. Like it looks like a TV with the antennas coming out the top. How do we make it look less cartoony and more like a different TV? I don't know how to say it in any other way, and that doesn't sound great. But I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. So question about what video to learn the strategy. Maybe we could put something in here too, in the public of like start here, like new trader videos. You know what I mean? We could have something on here to walk people through. Exactly, Ryan. But how does that look? Just like a box? That doesn't look right. You know what I'm saying? Play with AI, it'll give you a ton of versions. Yeah, and they all sucked, dude. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning, sweating over it. No, I'm just kidding. But
Fucking
I
ran out
haven't
of
been
all
talking
my,
to chat, and they all suck.
ran out of all my Claude credits on Saturday. I got put in timeout for my 5-hour limit. Said, "Oh my fuck!" Touched some grass. Just kept calling her a bitch. She wasn't listening to me.
S&P 500 wants some more. They said the market was against us. We said nah. We got the VWAP. It's astronomical. VWAP, God. VWAP, God. Crack the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God. VWAP, God. Double break confirming I add to the
From a guy that just started to use the double break, your 2 boot camps are the best for people wanting to learn the double break fast and well. Yeah, appreciate it. And then even the YouTube videos, there's way more than there probably needs to be. There's plenty of content out there about it. Alex, all-time highs today? No idea. Very, very rangy. It's gotta be very close though. What is that, last Wednesday? Yes, it's 30 points from all-time high. That'd be nice.
Yeah, so then another thing I'm thinking, everybody. ATIs, boys. Alex, fuck yeah, bro. I sent you that giveaway this morning, too, so you should definitely have it coming today. I just Googled modern TV logo. How can they all look different but the same? I know. It's fucking stupid. I got our video guy working on it. The guy that made that logo will fix it. Jay is good. He's expensive, but he will fix it. He will make it.
That was
But
him, not Eric?
it was his. No, Eric did the triangle. He did the TV.
Yeah.
But what we'll do is we have to change the triangle, raise the price, then build the app. It's those 3 steps. So I'm working today to figure out everything I need to do in the back end to raise the price for new members. So those of you that are here, most of you are already members paying the regular price. It's not going to change for you guys. It will only change for new members. Just like when we raised it in the past. Everybody that's grandfathered in, you stay in. You guys staying live on YouTube? No, we go over to ASFX TV, Ryan. Every day, it's what we've been doing.
About this bad boy.
No, that's disgusting.
Beautiful.
That's
Beautiful.
That is not what I'm looking for. It's AI slop. Get that shit off my screen.
Okay.
Tired to see. Dude, someone said that to me yesterday. It was my brother-in-law. He was like, yeah, everything on the internet's AI slop. 5 minutes before I posted the AI pic of the VTC update. I'm like, it is AI slop, but like, if you want a graphic quickly, there's nothing that beats it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. How about just this? Like, what's wrong with just the triangle in ASFX TV?
No, because it doesn't feel TV. No. You don't know branding. You
What
just
does-
shut up and
how
trade.
does NBC
Shut up and
feel
trade.
like
You're
TV?
LeBron. You're my LeBron. You just shut up and trade. You don't tell me to change the
I'll take
logo,
that.
okay? You can coach the
I'll take
players.
that.
You can start barking about it's my NQ. Everybody, don't forget he said that to
In
me
year
yesterday when I
23, you
had
don't
the
think
exit.
LeBron's calling some shots? LeBron's be like, listen,
Nah,
listen.
no, he's not logo, not color changes. No, you're not. That's a different department. It's a different.
He's telling
building.
them what uniform they're wearing today. He's like, I want to wear blues. We're going to wear blues for this whole home stretch. And they're like, you got it. Fuck, you got it. Curved TV monitor. I don't know. I mean, what screams TV? I mean, NBC, Fox. What
The little-
screams
the little
TV?
antenna
No TV
things.
logo. Just brand recognition.
So you're saying just defaulted back to the triangle.
I don't know.
Go back to it. Go back to the roots.
So what do I say? No, this is AI shit. Get your shit together. AI slop.
Yeah, see, this is the stat I was trying to find for you yesterday. Jalen Hurts is 56-22 since becoming full-time starter in 2021, which is the best record in the NFL. That's what the stat says on ESPN.
56 and 22.
56-22 is trash.
Yeah.
60 wins and 20 losses.
Yeah. For like the GOAT.
You're a Jets fan, brother. How
No,
much would you
not in
give
any realm
the
am I a
Jets to
Jets
be
fan.
60-20 in the last 4 years or whatever, 5 years?
We're not.
You'd give
Jets
a left
fan.
nut.
Not a Jets household.
No,
Never has
yesterday,
been, never will
everybody,
be.
we're talking to this guy from North Jersey yesterday, and he's like, yeah, I'm a Jets fan. I'm in Tampa now, blah, blah, blah. And Evan's like talking like, yeah, I'm a Jets fan too. And I'm like, well, you guys should all migrate to Giants fans. And Evan's like, yeah, half my family already has. I'm like, oh, it is. These North Jersey people are pussies like that, dude. They really be doing shit like that. Hopping bandwagons. You just think you got 2 teams to just pick whichever one you
You
want.
must be out of
That's-
your mind.
That's
Guy's
crazy.
delusional. This guy's delusional.
It's crazy.
I went to the Super Bowl parade for the Giants. Went to MetLife when they did the trophy. Always was a Giants fan.
This guy's trying to prove he's in the cult. I've been a Giants fan. Don't fucking question me.
Hey, just because my brother gets a job somewhere else doesn't convert me.
It's true.
And they were never a threat. So it's like, all right, yeah, let's give him a little charity. Let's root for him, guys. They need it. If he worked for the Chiefs, I'd be like, fuck the Chiefs. You guys are pussies. No one likes you. If he worked for the Eagles, you don't just convert. But it's because they were that bad. So yeah, you could root for them. No harm.
Yeah, so we're going to head over to ASFX TV in like 10 minutes, everybody. If you're not a member, you get a 7-day free trial if you go sign up now.
Yep.
Or don't. Stay poor. I don't care.
Hit some giveaways, winning trades, everything you need in life that's missing. But yeah, no pressure. And yeah, if you're already on ASFX, if you play with the community tab today, any trades you take pre-market at the open, let's get it popping in there.
So I had the ES. Here's the other ES. You don't need that twice.
Page, no, they never really finished. I think it was open for a little bit, but that thing was just historically that like indoor skiing and snowboarding thing next to MetLife. Part of that.
Yeah, what happened with that?
What's that mall called? Fuck. What is that called? The mall. But no, that thing was like bankrupt, opened again, painted the outside of it, bankrupt again.
Shame.
But I think it was open for a little bit. But he worked on the ski slope water park next to the stadium. I remember in college I did a project on that development because it was just such a failure. That whole mall, so many stores, and like 50% of them were never filled ever. Because it was like the worst time. Like they finally opened during COVID. It's like, you jackass.
Poor planning.
Yeah, it's terrible. And it's in such a bad location. Like the bus stops to the city, all this different stupid shit.
You don't love hanging out near the bus stops? Good stuff happens near the bus stops, Evan. In any city.
Steven, welcome back.
Where's Steven been?
It's been
2 years since I traded. Happy to be back. Retired. Oh, Steven. Steven who? Who are you? Are you Steven back 37. To us, Steven? Yeah, the name just doesn't do. That's not going to help me. Steven 37.
Mm-hmm.
There's a Rick and Morty joke here too somewhere. We're like,
and
we're
Dustin
on a planet
65,
with a bunch of
Ryan Williams 62. You
don't know me? You don't know me?
Why do you guys all have numbers in your name? If you scroll up, Ryan does. Even
they're all scammers, dude. They're all scamming us.
Yeah. Daily Trader 87. Just doesn't stop. See if you can get a pullback to NQ's overnight view up. It'll sit right on the POC. ES, where are you? Just kind of sitting up here at the top of your range from yesterday. Same thing. See if it wants to pull back down here. But like, is this where you want to be in any trade in the range? We can be trading to the bottom of range, back towards the top. But there's definitely some shit going on down and up here. See how Bookmap wants to behave during the open here with these levels set.
Yes, with a stop at 62.
And then YM. Ugh, same thing. So be cautious. Don't jump into that first trade super quick, as you never should, but especially on ES when you're just sitting in yesterday's price action. Don't get caught chasing a breakout.
Is ES? Yeah, it's still inside bar too. Barely, but it is.
And even if
you have orders above,
out, it's still stuck inside.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
Slow and steady.
Where am I? Yeah, unfortunately, trading becomes a lot simpler when you trade a system. You don't have to think as much. It could do this, it could do that, could do that. Yep, but if it paints a double break, like I know what I'm going to do.
This double break in NQ just fulfilled overnight in Asia. So we got to still fix that.
Yeah, I sent it to Mike. If you read your fucking Discord messages, you would have seen that.
No, there's too many. I have 21 of them unopened. Just Randy asking boomer questions. I can't see it. Where is it?
You better not be mean to him, bro. You know he's sensitive.
Update it.
You know he's sensitive, Evan. You can't take that, Evan. You take it back.
Discipline, patience, execution. Let's go. Let's go.
As it look like stocks are going to open up. Micron a little gap up. Flat on
Yep,
socks,
and I was
full
just-
canvas, nothing.
I was just thinking it looks green enough for me.
Yeah, boring green.
Yeah,
Nothing
but green.
crazy.
Not going to be bearish. Not
No
that
big
this matters, but just looking at this, there is actually still a gap back here. Last week.
What? Friday into Sunday?
No, Thursday into Friday.
Oh,
Did not feel
Okay.
that. I decided I think I'm going to all black candles. I can't do all these fucking colors. Yeah, it's much better. We're going to go back to it.
because of the white now with the indicator. You don't want 3 colors.
Everybody, we're going to head to the other room in 4 minutes. So if you have any questions, finish up here. Make sure you head to the link in my bio. Get signed up for the free month or free week. Excuse me. Still got to change that. Free week. Yeah, I was thinking start a week VWAP might be worth looking at, but I know it's going to be right under where we are right now. So
Well, especially on ES, that's going to be yesterday's daily view up. How much is that really showing us? It's got to be flat, no?
yeah.
Yeah, it's literally smack in the middle. Let's see how the open comes in. I mean, everyone sees that all-time high is 30 points away. So let's
Happy
induce them
all-time
up there on a
highs.
long and smoke them lower.
Smoke them lower.
Yeah, and then go for an all-time high in the afternoon.
Yeah, I mean, like Ryan said, a double break long would be good because you haven't touched overnight VWAP since 6 a.m. Pull back, touch overnight VWAP. Give me a double break long off of that. I would take that. That would be the best one.
Well, that's the clear, obvious one, yeah. If it goes higher first, double break short back to the VWAP, back inside the range. We got options. So, see how the open shakes out in 10 minutes. Wait another 15 minutes after that. So we got at least 25 more minutes of information to tell us where we might want to go.
Dude, listen to this. We know what's crazy. I have 3.6 million views in 90 days on Instagram. You want to guess how many followers I've gained?
Negative 106.
Negative 1,140.
Oh!
How am I losing followers when I'm
Gosh.
getting 3.6 million views?
Yeesh.
Isn't that crazy?
Your account is cooked. It's chopped. Is that what the kids call it? It's chopped.
It's not though, because if you Jay and I were deep diving at this, it's not. It's the content that you put on the page. You just have to reprogram it. It's all reprogrammable. So if I stop posting stream clips, he thinks on the Instagram, and I only post the green screens and the yapping videos, he thinks it will fix it in a month or two.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you're posting all that 4 videos in 10 minutes, which actually that alone I think isn't good. The more I researched it.
No, you're wrong. I'm telling you you're wrong. Because go look at the views the next day. They go up still. You know what I'm saying? So I don't.
They can still go up, but you're not getting any 10,000s unless you're speaking about your sauna and your coffee maker. You're getting more
Or a green
views
screen,
the
or a
next day,
trading
but it's
thing.
like $2,000 or 2,000, $2,000. You're getting like
He's got money
2,000
on his
views
mind.
the next day, where it's like you stop competing that one video, the green screen gets 20K. You're talking about the news because you had them when you spoke about the news.
It's
and
a
all that
crock of
crazy
shit. That's all it is. It's a bunch of fucking shit. I'm just gonna keep trading, take a bunch of payouts, and disappear. What did Riff Raff say? I'm gonna make so much money. I'm gonna act like I don't know nobody. What something like that, dude.
I don't
Fuck
know.
all this
I don't remember
Instagram
that.
shit, bro.
I knew
All
you
right,
were
let's go.
saying
Let's go
Riff
start the
Raff.
stream. We'll see you on there, everybody. Dude, you gotta go listen to Riff Raff. That'll get you ready for
I
the day.
did.
Stand
I did in middle school.
tiptoeing in my Jordans,
Throwing
bro.
in my Jordans, yeah.
Okay. See you on there, everybody. Don't be late.
See you
Let's
there.
go.